All right, so let's talk about changing the background of your YouTube videos. This is something that I think a lot of new creators like myself, we find the issue of not wanting to record in our personal space, like your room, your house. You don't want to show them to the public. You don't want to show that to the public. So what we tend to do is change the background of our videos. So this was a trendy topic, I think, last year because CapCut could allow you to do it for free. But now it's a pro option in CapCut, even though I made a video on how to still use free CapCut to do it. But I want to show you how to do it for free with Inshot. Inshot is an amazing video editor, but CapCut is a little bit advanced, so I'll give CapCut that. I've been using Inshot for a long time. Like I have a whole video. If you want to learn how to use Inshot, I have a not long, I have a full tutorial on how to use Inshot, step-by-step guide, everything. If you want to know how to use Inshot, is also very good. But yes, I'll still say CapCut is a little bit advanced. But with Inshot, you can still remove or change the background of your YouTube videos for free. You don't have to pay for the pro version. You just use the video editing app on your smartphone and you change it for free. So now, before we get into it, there are some things I want to put into place here. There are some things you need to be aware of when you're trying to record a video that you want to later on change the background. First thing is the background that you're recording your video. It's best if it's a single color background. Okay, like maybe your wall is just white or one single color, and then what you're wearing should not match the background. So this background right here is not really the best for what I want to do, but I'll still show you how to do it. Another thing is try to keep space between your head and the screen. When you're recording, there should be some space up here. I hope I have mine set up. All right, and next thing is hand movement or your body movement. When you're recording a video, you want to later on change the background, do less body movement. Okay, not like stay static and talk, but make sure your hand movement is in front of you. It's not too wide. It is going to cause problems when you're trying to remove your or trying to change your background. It's going to cause some problems, right? So because when you're just talking in front of you, when you want to remove your background remover is taking just your image, and takes off every other thing. So when your hand is in front of you, it's safer. When you like going to the extreme ends, like it can cut some parts of your fingers and all that. So, but with Inshot, we're gonna do it for free. And there's one little problem that I have with the background remover in Inshot that I will show you guys at the end of this video. So let's just get into it because I did not script this video. Let's go. Alright, let's get to it. So first thing is you have to launch the Inshot application. Link will be in the description if you don't have this app. So go to video, click on video and take a new project. So you select the background you want to change your video, you want to give to your video. So click on OK. So we're done recording. And now, so when you get here, this is my picture right here. It is currently set to the YouTube size. So if yours is not, when you import, maybe your picture is bigger, mine automatically take the YouTube size because it has the size of a YouTube video or the YouTube thumbnail or stuff like that. So you click on canvas here if yours doesn't have the size, and you select the right size. Okay, if you want to change the background for an Instagram video, if your video is an Instagram video, you can select here, but I'm talking on YouTube video. And then so I'm going to select YouTube long form video and I click on OK. Now to extend my video or my picture, I can click at this edge and hold drag like that. So next thing is I want to add my video. Now I'm going to add it as a picture in picture clip. Okay, that is the button here. It's called PIP. In CapCut we call it overlay. Okay, so you have to click there. So click there and go to video, select the video you want to use. This video right here. So now to make this video take full screen, you're gonna have to click here. So click there, it's gonna take full screen. Now remember, it's in picture mode is on top of your background. So now you're gonna have to select your video like this, tap on it, scroll to your editing options and go to cutout. Click on cutout and it's going to take off the background. So you're gonna have to, you see here the percentage is going, so it's currently doing the cutout, but you don't really have to wait fully. If you have other things you want to do to the video, you can equally do it as well while the background is being removed. So I can just click on OK. The background is currently being removed and the percentage counter is going to be right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take that off. So we're currently having our background removed. So if there's anything you want to do to it, you can do to it right here. So let me say I want my overlay video to be the same length as my background. Okay, so I'm gonna go click on OK and touch my background, which is the main video, and I extend it to be as long as the clip. But this is just an example that I'm trying to show you guys. So what I can do now is I can just cut this off, right? I can go to my PIP, highlight this video and cut it off, because this is just an example, right? I cut it off like that to have the same length with my new background. So that is it. So if you want to do resizing, it's up to you. You can click and push your video with the background removed to whatever angle you want it to be. But the main problem that I have with the background remover of Inshot is this line you see at the edges of my image right here. Do you guys notice that white line? With CapCut, you don't really have that. Okay, if you look at my hat right here, you see some white line from my face to my cap and all that. Yeah, but it still works, and there are some people that can still use that. They still use it like this. Okay, so it's not that much of a big deal for them. So yeah, but that's just it. It's pretty easy to remove the background. So you can see we're done, and you just need to save it. Click on OK. Now when you want to save your video, with Inshot, since it's a free version, you will see this Inshot logo down here. If you want to take that off, you click on it. You're going to see free remove to remove the logo. So click on free remove. They might show you an ad to watch, or they might not. But most times they will show you an ad because you're not using Inshot Pro. This is just to save it without the Inshot logo. So click on that. We have a 30 seconds countdown we have down here. I don't want to play this game, so we're gonna have that. So I have to wait. I'll just click on that arrow and click on cancel, and now you can see our Inshot logo is gone. So what you gotta do now is export the video whatever dimension that you like, and you can select and do your stuff, and you will be able to have it in your device. So it's as simple as that. Click on export and you're good to go. Even though there's an ad popping, it's currently exporting. Okay, just because you have a free version of Inshot, you'll be seeing stuff like this, but it's free. You can see we're already at 57% and stuff like that. So that's our video, guys. So if you like content like this, feel free to subscribe to support this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It's going to promote this content, show to YouTube that this is a good content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next one.